So this is my presentation slides about how my writing has developed this year. So my favorite writing strategies that I've learned this year is the value of an outline. Outlines are very, very helpful when writing a lot of different things. From presentations to just plain old essays to even just books. They lay down the main idea and they guide you through the rest of the writing process. Like I said, they're nice when writing essays or presentations like this one. My unique writing style has developed over this year through hard work on essays. My writing style used to be short and very broad and left it without much substance. Through this year, my writing style has grown to the point where I now can explain things better and write it better overall. So the first reason I think we should cut back on chopping down trees is their ability to clean the air. Trees take in huge amounts of carbon dioxide a day and put out oxygen in its place. So it's just like people breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide. Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. So they help maintain our air quality and make our atmosphere cleaner. When I started at first, if I was asked to write a sentence like that, I would probably do it like this. We should cut back on cutting trees because it's better for our air because the trees release oxygen. See, just like that. What writing means to my life and leadership is mostly communication. Writing has helped me talk to people and I have them understand me easier and better. That's a very important quality in a leader. They need to be able to get their point across fast and well. That's the end of my presentation. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed it.